On here and show you all my final results. This is after I sat under the hair dryer last night. I wrapped my hair, and then this morning I stretched my roots. If you want to see how I stretch my roots to give me more length in this wash and go, then definitely stay tuned because I have a video more in detail about that coming soon. But okay, this Wetline Extreme Gel is really good. I can see why everybody has been raving about it, why everybody's claiming it's better than EcoStyler Gel, and I would have to, I won't say it's better than, but it's definitely equivalent. You know, I love EcoStyler Gel. I've been using Eco since 2010, so I'm almost a decade in, and so you know, it's gonna be really hard for me to just like erase it completely and cancel it completely, but I think this is definitely a great alternative, so I can see myself using both of the gels. This gel left my hair really soft. I will note that after I got from under the dryer last night, I did have a really stiff gel cast. So I just did praying hand motion through my hair before I wrapped it up, just to kind of break that gel cast, and it left me with really nice, soft, and defined curls. So the definition on this product is like on 100. Like seriously, like I've never seen anything like it. I have, like I said, I broke the gel cast last night, I slept on it, and then this morning I went through and stretched my roots, and the definition has not been compromised at all. Curls are like extremely popping. They are very soft, like I said, very little to no frizz actually, and shiny. It just looks and feels amazing. So I will definitely be using this product. It did pair well with the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in. I don't have any flakes, so I didn't have any problems with mixing those two products together. So I'm a fan. I see why everybody has been hyping this product up. Once I finish that jar, I do want to try the blue and the green ones that I've been seeing as well. So are you an Extreme Wetline Gel fan? If so, do you think it's better than EcoStyler Gel? And like, what's your favorite one? Do you like the clear one that I use? Do you like the green one or the blue one? Like I said, I definitely want to try those other two out just to see what it's about, and because it's so inexpensive. But As you can see, hair is popping. This wash and go is like amazing. I'll definitely let you know in the description bar how long it lasts me. I don't know what's taking me so long to like start blow drying my roots for my wash and goes to stretch it, because I really love the elongated look that I have. When I woke up this morning, I did have a lot of shrinkage, so you know, blow drying out my roots definitely helped to give me more of a like day 2, day 3 look on day 1. Let me know what you guys want to see going forward. Like I said, be on the lookout for how I did stretch this wash and go. And as always, thank you all for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye guys.